Welcome back to Business Help. In this video, we're going to be going over how to move a chart from Excel into Microsoft Word. So before we get started, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. Also, turn notifications on and like this video, and let's go ahead and get started here. All right. So as we can see, we got a chart here, and we want to go and put it over here in our Word document. So let's just try copying and pasting this. Copy. Right-click and copy. We're going to go ahead and right-click and just use the first paste option. So it's got it as a, so we can go ahead and edit this if we want to, but let's say we'd add a totals row or something, it wouldn't stay, nothing like changes or anything here for it. Let's go ahead and just delete that. Just go ahead and undo twice. All right, let's go back to Excel. So we have it copied here. Let's go ahead and just add a totals row. That way we can see it a lot better. So we're going to right click on this. We're going to go ahead and hit totals row, table, totals row. Okay. So now we have this here. So let's go back. Let's make this our average. We don't need anything here, none. All right, so now we got this table. Let's go ahead and copy this table. All right, now we go back over to Word. Let's go ahead, and this time, instead of just paste, we'll go ahead and paste it here. If we would go to change anything like this, it wouldn't change our totals row at the bottom. So instead of doing that, let's go ahead and get rid of that. Delete table. Okay, instead of doing that, we're going to go over here and hit the paste. And we're going to click on the little drop down arrow below paste, like the bottom half of the box here. So we have all these options. We can post it as a picture, and that'd be fine. It wouldn't be able to change or anything. But here's the real thing. We're going to click the paste special button. We're going to go up here and make it Microsoft Excel worksheet object. Click OK. It's going to take a second to load here. What we're essentially doing is we're going to be loading Excel into Word here. So let's see. Let's say we're going to double click on one of these. All right. Now we double clicked in there. Let's go ahead and zoom in here for you. Go ahead and expand this out a little bit. As you can see, look, it's Excel is opened up inside of Word. So now if we go ahead and adjust this, let's say 43,000, our average is going to adjust. So this is how you can easily just go ahead and, when we copy and paste this, it's going to go ahead and just automatically change it for us. Instead of like any normal, we're just taking a screenshot of this, pretty much move it over here, but we're able to edit this on this side. Let's see if we go back over here, didn't change anything over here, but it did change this on the sheet. Now it also works with charts. Let's go ahead and do the same thing with this chart here. Say we want to possibly make some adjustments to this later. So we're going to click copy. We're moving over here. Back again the paste special. Hit OK. All right, it should bring it up in just 1 second. It takes a second to load sometimes just because of you are inserting this into Excel. So let's go ahead and shrink this down for sure. Definitely was a lot bigger than we wanted. Keep just shrinking it down here. All right, now we got this. So we can go here and click on it and adjust it. So as we can see, the data labels are way too small for us. So let's just go back over here. So we're going to blow this up to 40. Let's click on these endpoints. Let's make these 20. Let's click down here. We're going to make these 20 as well. All right, now we can see the data a lot easier, which is going to be a lot nicer for us. So as it saves there, which is great. We can adjust this and make things right here. But let's say we want to go ahead and just take this, and let's say we don't want anybody to make changes or anything to it. Let's just make it a picture. So we have two options here. We can go ahead. First off, we can go over here and click the right arrow on this. We can just copy as picture. So it's going to bring up. We can just go ahead and click this. We're just going to go back over here. We're going to Control V is the paste command here. All right, it's a picture. We can move it around, do whatever we want with it. Or we're going to just go ahead and delete this real quick. We can come back over here. We're going to right click. We're just going to copy this normal. And over here in Word, we can go down to the paste options. We can just go over here and paste it as a picture. There's two different ways we can go ahead and paste it as a picture, which is nice because depending on which way you prefer, it's all personal preference. There's not really anything different between the two. It's just would you rather to copy as a picture or paste it as a picture. So you can do the same thing with charts here. So I'll just show you real quick. Copy it. I'm just going to paste it over here. Control B. We're going to paste this picture. All right, so now it's going to paste the same thing as picture. So I hope this video is helpful, and if it was, go ahead and subscribe and smash the like button for me, and make sure to check out my other videos. Well, thanks for watching.